Hi, everyone. Do you ever feel nervous while talking on the phone in English? Don't worry. Today I'll teach you 10 simple and useful English sentences that will help you speak confidently during any phone call. So let's get started.
Hello. Who's speaking, please? Can I speak to Henry, please? Hold on a moment, please. I'm sorry, she's not available right now. I'll call you back in a few minutes. Could you repeat that, please? I'm having trouble hearing you. The line is not clear. Thank you for calling. Talk to you soon. Bye. If you found these sentences helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more useful English sentences every day.